Yes, be ready. Start. Leave granted in all the special leave petitions. Full stop. The issue that arises for consideration is the filling up of backlog vacancies meant for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes candidates in the cadres of assistant engineers and junior engineers in the Department of Public Works, Engineering, Water Resources, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj. Full stop. It is not a matter of dispute that an initiative was taken by the state government to fill up a total of 1357 backlog vacancies in the above two cadres bracket start 856 in the cadre of assistant engineers and 501 in the cadre of junior engineers bracket close by promulgating the Karnataka State Civil Services bracket start unfilled vacancies reserved for the persons belonging to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes bracket close bracket start special recruitment bracket close rules 2001 bracket start herein after referred to as the 2001 rules bracket close next stanza in the first instance notifications were issued by the chief engineer to fill up 462 vacancies in the cadre of assistant engineer and 243 vacancies in the cadre of junior engineers by way of contract appointments full stop. Accordingly, the above vacancies were filled up on contract basis on 1/9/2003 full stop. Immediately after the initiation of the aforesaid action at the behest of the state government bracket start to fill up the vacancies on contract basis bracket close a challenge was raised by the candidates who satisfied the conditions of eligibility and the stipulations contained in the 2001 rules that the same be filled up regularly on substantive basis under the 2001 rules full stop. In fact, the action of the state government to fill backlog vacancies meant for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes on contract basis was itself assailed full stop. The instant challenge was resisted at the behest of the state government which asserted that the arrangement was being made only on a stop gap basis and that regular recruitment would be made against the backlog vacancies in consonance with the 2001 rules full stop. Next stanza the above process of appointment of assistant engineers and junior engineers on contract basis was repeated once again by filling up 384 vacancies of assistant engineers and 258 vacancies of junior engineers on contract basis on 21/2004 full stop. With the instant exercise, all the backlog vacancies came to be filled up on contract basis full stop. Various challenges were raised at the behest of candidates who were ignored from being selected on contract basis as also those who had not responded to the selection process on contract basis as they were only interested in regular appointment full stop. Next stanza all the above challenges to the action of the state government in filling up the backlog vacancies on contract basis culminated into the passing of the impugned order at the hands of a division bench of the Karnataka High Court dated 13/7/2012 full stop. The High Court, while passing the impugned order, recorded its directions as under full stop. Next stanza. All these writ petitions challenging the impugned order passed by the Karnataka Administrative Tribunal in application number 6258/2003 and other connected matters dated 25th day of May 2009 are dismissed. Full stop. The order passed by the Karnataka Administrative Tribunal declaring that the Karnataka Civil Services (start) absorption of persons appointment on contract basis against backlog vacancies in the category of assistant engineer and junior engineers in the Department of Public Works, Engineering, Water Resources and Rural Development and Panchayati Raj rules 2005 as being contrary to the provisions of Articles 14 and 16 of the Constitution of India. Full stop. Over.